Some towels, some bills, some you don't listen stuff. She packed a bag, said I need some space. Dog looked at me like, man, you blew this place. She took the blender, the lamp, the rug, the coffee maker, and my fancy mug. But when she reached for that old hound dog, I stood up tall and laid down the law. If she leaves, I'm keeping the dog. You can have the couch and the fancy catalog. Take the plates, the quilt, the Christmas log. But if you're walking out, I'm keeping the dog. Yeah, he knows my truck and he knows my smell, and he never brings up stuff I did not tell. He don't judge my friends or the things I bought. If she leaves, I'm keeping the dog. That dog's been there through thick and thin, every heartbreak, every dumb decision. He rode shotgun through my worst year,